Healthcare for women is on the ballot in this election.
With the provincial election just over a month away, BC NDP leader David Eby held a rally on reproductive health care and rights. On Thursday, new Democratic Party officials and their supporters listened to BC NDP leader David Eby talk about how he believes the BC Conservative Party leader John Rustad has dodged the question on multiple occasions on his stance on the support for women's reproductive rights.
He can't bring himself to say, yeah, of course, I support reproductive freedom for women. I support women's health care. Instead, the best he can do is say, well, no one needs to worry because nothing's going to change if I get elected.
In a social media post by Rustad earlier this week, he says under a BC Conservative government, access to abortion, contraception, and other items will remain exactly as it is now. There will be no changes. Eby says if the BC Conservative Party went into power, it would make major cuts to health care in reference to a document the party released.
There was one number in the whole healthcare document, and that number was a $4 billion cut to healthcare in the province of British Columbia. That means that there will not be free birth control for women in this province. That means there will not be at-home cervical cancer screening.
We have no plans whatsoever to make any changes in reproductive policies and approaches in British Columbia.
And on Thursday evening, Rustad held a conference denying any of the comments made by the BC NDP.
David Eby's response to politics in this province seems to be to make things up and just lie.
The provincial election will take place October 19th. In Vancouver, Angela Bauer, City News.